YouTube, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be summoning a premium pack. Let's look at that. Okay, nothing in there. Alright, I think we can get one here. Yes. Okay. Sorry I haven't posted in the last few days, I've been kind of busy. Alright, we collected those. Let's go over to the summoning. And I think we also got a scroll today for being the 1000th day of Summoner's War being out or something like that. So that's why we have 12. Let's see if we can get some lightning out of this or something. Okay, Water Harpy. Wind High Elemental. Wind Griffin. Water Harpy. Water Mummy. Come on, Summoner's War. Give me one. Come on, calm to us. Wind Witch. Fire Penguin Knight. Water Werewolf. Lightning. Don't think I have got the Wind Sylph before. Be kind of interesting. See what we can do with that. So we got 2 more scrolls. Water Grim Reaper. And what else do we get? Fire Vagabond. Alright. That'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching.